huge tidal wave, one of those beautiful ones that a surfer can pass through the middle. So I imagine it rising out of the sea. It curls over and crests over, so my hands come close. There's a little drop here, and then we push out towards the beach. And as it hits the sands, the water disappears. So today, what we did is I do adapted Tai Chi. So I wouldn't class myself as a Tai Chi instructor. I'd always say that I take the basic movements, basic movement patterns that we do in everyday life, and I just apply them really slowly and really carefully for the group, for the suitable group. So we're going to hold on to the ball, and we're going to do a little push. I can give the ball a little bit of a squeeze as I go. So a little bit of a squeeze as we come up, over, around, and in, and then back the other way. A little push, a little squeeze, coming up, over, around, and in. Perfect. To get everyone involved, I often have to like adjust and do that little circle around the room. I do it more here than in this group than the group that's just been done anywhere else, just because of the severity of some of the dementias and the conditions. But it's nice to do like something, everyone gets to do something as a group and feel like they belong, but also have like that individual individual focus as well, just to meet their needs. What we're going to do is we're going to rise slightly above the arms of the chair, and then we're going to come in, just so you've got the room, and then we're going to come out. So some of the exercises, definitely some of the later ones, we're going to have to take the chair into consideration because the arms are a little bit higher than what we're used to.
It's just gentle exercise, but Richard from G Fitness that runs the session, he's such a lovely guy that runs it. He's so good with the residents. He goes around and he does like one-to-ones with them, and it's fantastic.
Beautiful, absolutely fantastic. We go a little bit smaller, so maybe we only come to about here and move around and then back down. So I don't mind if our arm is in a bit of discomfort, because it usually means we're challenging something. But if we feel pain, pain is no good, and that's going to stop us from doing what we want to do. So we're going to make the exercises a little bit smaller just for now.
Oh, pressing at that size made a big difference.
Fantastic, absolutely, that's all I want, amazing. People with severe conditions, they have like very limited mobility. Some people can only move like one part of their arm, so like a lot of them is like frozen in place except for like maybe like a wrist. So to do anything with them, to move in and or to come in and to bring in any kind of joy that I can and get them moving is wonderful. I'll just take it. Whatever they can give me, I'll take. And again, so we're going to come up. We're going to come in. And we're going to come out. And then we're going to come down. Beautiful.
They get excitement out of it when we know they're coming, or Tai Chi's coming today, and they say, oh, fantastic, that they look forward to seeing him. One of my residents, Joan, she sleeps so well after the session, really well after it, and everyone benefits from it. It's really good.
A couple more times. So we're going to come up together. We're going to turn, we're going to go wide. We're going to come back in. Fantastic team. And coming in. Lovely. Last time. Rising up. You hear me say last time a lot, I know. I'm going to go wide.